nice. And Chelsea, it is still, hot, still a little muggy to me outside, but things are going to change soon.
Yeah, things will change after the storms. We will finally get the break from the heat and humidity, but really our focus today will be the risk for severe weather later this evening. Now, timing still a little uncertain. It's really going to depend on how that line tracking through northern Illinois kind of really continues to hold together, but we're going with more of a window, mainly after 5 to 7 p.m. is when it's going to roll into our area for northern Indiana. Then it's going to slide to the southeast. Our primary threat will be some damaging wind gusts, could cause some isolated power outages, and also heavy downpours. Frequent lightning is expected with these storms. How much rainfall are we looking at? These storms will be moving pretty quickly, but they could quickly drop about a ½ inch to over an inch of rain with some of those heavier storms, heavier downpours. But the risk for severe weather is greater to the northwest in Indiana. That includes Lafayette and even clipping parts of Peru, and that's under a level 3 out of 5 threat. So we are expecting severe weather. That is expected as we head into the afternoon and evening. A level 2 for Noblesville, Indianapolis areas a little bit farther south, a level 1 out of 5 threat. And that's because, again, the chance for some of those strong damaging wind gusts. You can see where it's really highlighted for northwest Indiana. So where are we at right now? Broken cloud cover, still allowing for that sunshine to come on through, heating us on up 85 right now in Indianapolis. Dew points in the mid-70s. That is very tropical. We have a south-south-east breeze, but really it's just mixing around that hot air, and it feels like we are even in triple digits in Kokomo. It feels like it's 95 in Shelbyville. So once this cold front moves on through, we will get a relief from that. But right now we're really watching this line of thunderstorms, how they hold together moving through our area. But isolated storms are starting to pop up in the area. And Greensburg, as we zoom on in, a decent downpour coming through with just a couple lightning strikes being picked up on live Doppler 13. So let's put everything into play. Around after 5, 7 o'clock, that's when we're expecting some of those stronger storms to be moving on in and starting to hit central Indiana later this evening after 8 o'clock. So we're going to have to keep a close eye on some of the embedded thunderstorms that could be producing some of those strong wind gusts. Once we get after midnight, we should start to see these storms start to die on down, and then on Tuesday morning, maybe a few lingering showers, maybe a storm, some of the cloud cover to start off the day, but then that will be clearing by the afternoon. So heading home for those kids from the bus stop, an isolated storm will be possible. Otherwise, they're just going to be dealing with that heat and humidity. Highs warming up today right around 90, and then it's going to be stormy this evening with that severe threat and a low of 68. So we're going to hold on mild, not quite as hot tomorrow. And also you can see the clouds will be clearing to sunshine by the afternoon. We're looking at high near 85. And all that humidity, we can say goodbye to that once that cold front slides on through. Much more pleasant air as a dry air mass moves on in for the middle of the week. So our 7-day forecast, high of 90 today. Be weather aware once we roll into the late afternoon and evening hours. We could be tracking a few of those strong to severe thunderstorms, and then that will be clearing. Maybe an AM shower tomorrow, but then clouds clearing as well. High of 85. Wednesday and Thursday, even into Friday, looking very nice. Highs in the low to middle 80s. Not expecting that humidity either, with a lot of sunshine to wrap up your week. However, the 90s are set to return for this upcoming weekend.